It's a race! Christian! 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 What? Wow, that was fresh. Fresh dab. Hey! Oh my god. What are you doing? Wait. What the fuck? Zoomed in all the way. Yeah, funny PR creator.
Wait, hold on. Let me take something with my.
This is so cringy.
Why is it okay?
This video.
Bro. We still got a vlog.
I know, that's what I'm doing right now. Your boy, back here again.
Stop kitty! Stop kitty! Look, it's Stop Kitty! You missed Stop Kitty! What are those bumps?
Bro, but look at that guy working out.
Marcus, that actually looks like you in the future. Just look at it.
Working out because I'm
It looks
fat.
like
What the? Wait.
like with the glasses, you know?
No. I can't even see right now.
Oh, it's not a dip, it's like for doctors.
Someone free Leon from this terrible
It's
game.
therapy. It's a chiropractor.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, now we're at knots, so what we're gonna do now? We're gonna form our groups.
And we'll see what ride we're going first.
Squad.
Reymar. Reymar.
Are we gonna eat at the same place?
Oh, squad!
Now what the heck?
Oh!
Vlogging? Are we vlogging?
Find a chicken and eat
More
it.
members of the group.
Oh,
Let's find a chicken and eat it.
Ew, what the heck? Tunnel of death.
Oh yeah.
Shall come in.
Are we vlogging?
Yeah, I'm doing it now. Tunnel of death.
These kids ain't loyal.
Going on a trip with the Reymar Batista. Zoom through the tunnel. Ah, it's so blurry. It's blurry. Okay. Amazing. Bruh. No, you have what? We might not record all rides, so just enjoy this dancing Christian. Gay. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, that's so fun.
We are going on that log ride next. Right there. And then we'll also go on. Look at that scene. Boy. And we'll also go on Jaguar. And we'll see where we go next. Oh my god. Log ride.
My cooler's not working right now.
It is. Fady PR Creator JR.
PD PR Creator JR.
Oh my god. We going up. Ah! Oh no! Ah! I'm right behind Reymar. This is weird. In the club going up. I don't know what the frick?
I'll show you
Here comes Shrek.
Here comes Shrek. Come on.
Shrek. Jesus Christ, no. What the heck? Bro. Or Shrek's minions. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah! Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Andreas.
Oh yeah! Oh yes, Daddy!
Oh my God, Reymar. Jesus Christ. Oh
yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
We're gonna die. We're all gonna die. No, no. Oh, look, it's a goat. It's goat. Thomas the Thomas the trays. Jesus Christ. Go faster. Oh God, I'm getting scared. Go, 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 go. Ah! The water. Oh, it's so beautiful over here. So bright and sunny. It's a beautiful day today. People are dying. Here comes your boy waterfall. Oh no, Christian, shut up!
Oh shoot! We're about to die! We're about to die, man!
Christian, stop crying. Oh no, please, God. Holy crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! A wet Lord! I'm so scared. Mommy, where are you? Oh? Hey, this is my dog Gerald. Old man right here. Ah, God, I'm gonna drop my phone. A big drop is coming up, so I might not record because that will be intense. I want my phone to fly out. So
really loud.
understand.
Really loud.
Don't break. Oh no, he's spraying us. No. Improve the brightness. We're going down. Mama, I don't want to die.
Hey, everybody, down like this.
Jesus Christ, somebody help me. Oh my God. Eat this. I'm dead. I'm dead, Daddy. Jesus Christ.
I go back on the log ride.
This is a crybaby in the mist.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
It's just a joke. It's just a prank, bro. Jaguar.
Carson!
Freak
Andreas! Oh, I dunked on him.
And Lyon.
Dabbed on!
Oh, God.
Dabbed!
Help me! I'm getting invaded by.
I am the one that don't.
Probably someone spilled there. Seriously, take a photo. You're gonna take a photo.
Is always the better.
En el próximo.
Oh shoot! Bro, I'm scared. I'm holding it. I'm holding it as tight as I can. Alright, might not be a good view because we're kind of like getting right next to the sea. Oh shoot!
Oh yeah!
Wow! Wow! Let's go! Oh shoot! Ah! 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 Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Oh God! I'm gonna die! Oh my God! Holy crap! Bro, this is insane! I'm gonna die! Mommy! Ah! Oh my! Ah! Holy crap! Oh! Holy shoot! Ah! Oh! Wow! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh shoot! Holy bug crap and potatoes! Jesus Christ! Someone killed. Oh, we have a long way to go. This is gonna be epic. Here we go, boy. Here come that boy. Oh, I don't know. That's nice. Oh shoot! Ah! Ah! Oh no! My voice is hurting. Ah! 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 Oh my God! Oh! No! Ah! Ah! Oh Gonna go next on the Grand Rapids, and we're gonna eat in a little bit. Here we have Reymar and on the desk. Oh my god. No, please don't hit the dab. Not being right. Here we go. Full Rapids.
I found my ticket, guys.
Guys, this might be a little bit wet, so we might have to like hide the camera at times. Here, let's do this. Alright, take two. Oh my god! I can't do this! Jesus Christ! Somebody help! Guys, the phone is, the vlog is gonna get ruined! Christian, what are you doing with your phone? Oh my god! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Why did we choose it?
Because it's a water ride. Must have faith in the world. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Shut up, Carson. You're on camera. Say hi to YouTube. Freaking Christian, man.
I know what it is. I'm gonna pay $5 to Josiah. I know what to pay. Are you?
It's so cold. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Dude, my back is so wet. Oh, freaking.
You need Jesus!
Freaking Reymar. Oh, Jesus Christ. God bless America. And we're all have survived. Yeah, I know, right? Jesus Christ. Turn! Terrorist! Crap! Sorry, this is like a really wet part. Jesus Christ. Play terrorist.
ISIS did this to you.
Shut up.
It's actually acid water. My skin is burning!
Oh, shoot! Well, that's the end. The bumper cars. Running low, a bit low on battery, but I think we'll be able to have time to finish this whole thing. Frick. Stop dabbing.
Look, this is my dad. Wanna see my dad?
What?
Wanna see my dad?
What? Might not be able to record the bumper cars because I'm running out of battery. And yeah, we're gonna eat. We're gonna meet up, and then we're gonna eat something right now.
Follow the green arrows along the wall and
We're gonna
avoid
take this
metal
W.
collisions. Thank you and enjoy the ride.
Let's get it. Oh shoot! Ah! Ah! Escape! Escape! Go! Hey, I see you! I see you! Ah! Ah! Here we go! Psych! That's the wrong turn! Are we taking this W then? Ah! Jesus Christ! Ah! A car accident in the making! I see you, Carson. Nice try! Oh shoot! Ah! Oh, shoot, we're stuck. Traffic jam. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's Spady BR Creator JR. Get wrecked by Reymar. We cruising through the streets here.